Welcome to this week's DK Minute of Quickstep. So Quickstep is, of course, international, but we dance it here in the US also. It's simply called a fast foxtrot, or some persons might equate it to Peabody. Without a lot of discussion, here's the big secret to Quickstep. Quickstep does not dance down the line of dance in the traditional sense. Quickstep crab walks. It dances sideways. Now, what do we mean by that? In a basic foxtrot, for example, we might dance pointing diagonal to the corner, 1, side together 2, side together 1, side together 2. Quickstep dances in a sideways fashion rather than in a forward fashion. For Quickstep, I would align myself facing wall if my LOD were there. And I would dance 1, Quickstep 2, 1, side together 2. Where my side together is always lateral to the line of dance. If you dance your quickstep in this fashion, not only will the dance become much easier, it will actually become much quicker.
Teach me to dance. Won't you teach me to dance?